तो हम लोगों ने भी देखा कि मोल्स एग्जैक्टली क्या है. मोल्स इज नथिंग बट बेसिक एसआई यूनिट टू फाइंड आउट अमाउंट ऑफ सब्सटेंस. ठीक है. तो मोल्स हम लोग किसमें फाइंड आउट करने वाले हैं, हम लोग किसके लिए चाहिए, मोलारिटी के लिए चाहिए. सो मोल्स, 1 mole of value of 1 mole is nothing but 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. It can be a particles, atoms or molecule. Okay, and the basic formula which we are going to use to find out moles will be given mass upon molecular mass. Okay, and we have solved one question. So let's clear the concept. We have understood the moles. Now we will get back to our molarity concept. So we have a formula for molarity also, which we will be using for our numericals. Okay, so let's move ahead. So we know the formula for moles. It is nothing but moles we denote as N, and it is given as given mass upon molecular mass. ठीक है, upon molecular mass. So हम लोग के पास है दोनों चीजें. Like we know that how to find out moles now. So but let me tell you, in a given question they won't tell you like मेरे पास 5 लीटर का सॉल्यूशन है, 5 लीटर सॉल्यूशन है, you have to find out the number of moles. So it will be given mass will be given 5 divided by molecular mass will be 1, and मुझे बहुत जल्दी से मिल जाएगा what is molarity. But it is not that easy. But हम लोग क्या करना पड़ेगा, इसके लिए हम लोग को ये जो इक्वेशन है इसको हम लोग को एक्सपांड करना पड़ेगा. So how we are going to expand this equation, let's see. ठीक है. So given mass हम लोग किसके कौन से फॉर्मेट में दिया रहेगा, W1 and M1. So दो चीजें हैं. Given mass for this, okay, this one and this one, we will elaborate it in the molarity. So equation क्या है molarity का? Molarity का equation है, see, number of moles of solute. So we will write down that number of moles of solute divided by, ठीक है, 1 liter of solution. Now every time it won't be 1 liter of solution. They will give you 250 ml of solution is given, 500 ml of solution is given. So we have to convert this ml into liter. So how we will do that? We have a formula. We just have to divide this equation. Let's consider x is a term I have given to me. So I will divide it by 1000. So I will get the value in the liter. So this is the conversion of ml to liter. Okay, so that we will use in this equation. So if I want to expand this equation according to my moles, what I will do? Number of moles of solute. So we have again two particles, solute and solvent. Okay. Now here we will consider only solute and solution. So let's move ahead. First thing, which one is in bigger quantity? Solute. Okay. So solvent. Sorry, my mistake. It is solvent. So what I will do? I will mark W1 at given mass of a solvent. Given mass of solvent. Okay. And M1 is nothing but molecular mass of solvent. Okay, so this is our larger quantity. Let's get to the lesser quantity. So it will be W2, which is given mass of what it will be? Solute, right? It is solute. Okay, and M1 will be molecular mass of solute. Okay, so these two quantity we already know what is solute and solvent. Now we have divided and denoted with the equation, that is, or we can say value, that is W1 as given mass of solvent, M1 as a molecular mass of a solvent, and W2 as a given mass of solute, and M2 as a molecular mass of a solute. So we have this equation. Now we want to put this formula, this denoted sign over here in the number of moles of solute. So what I will do? I will do one thing over here. I will elaborate this molarity formula. I will write it down over here. It's a different pen, so you will understand. Okay. So M is nothing but molarity. Okay. So we have the formula for molarity, that is number of moles of solute. Now we have for solute, we have this equation W2 and M2. W2 is the given mass of solute and M2 as a molecular mass. So for find out what they have asked, number of moles. Okay, moles of solute. So moles के लिए हम लोग का already formula. What is the formula for moles? Given mass upon molecular mass. So already I have denoted these two equations for my solute, that is W2 and M2. So for this upper sign, number of moles of solute, what I will do? I will use formula of moles. ठीक है, तो solute के लिए मेरे पास already given mass है. Solute of given mass कितना है? W2. So I will write it down, W2 divided by molecular mass of a solute. So what is it? M2. So I will write it down over here. M2. तो ऊपर वाला पार्ट हो गया नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ सोल्यूट. नीचे वाला पार्ट 1 liter of solution. So it's not always that they will give you 250 like 1 liter of solution. They will ask you for 250 ml, 500 ml. So we have to convert that into liter. So how we will do that? X divided by 1000 and it will be converted into liter. So what it will be? I will just write it down. It will be given volume of a solution. Given volume of solution. Okay, divided by, I want to convert it into liter, so I will write it down 1000. What they have asked, 1 liter of solution. So first I should know what is given volume of solution, and then to convert it into liter, I will divide by 1000. So if I rearrange this formula, it will be M is equal to W2 by M2 into, now this will be, when it will go upwards, it will be 1000 divided by given volume of solution. Okay, so this is my formula for molarity. Am I clear how we have find out this formula? We have denoted first, we find out what is moles. We have formula for moles, that is given mass upon molecular mass. We should know what is the formula for molarity. What is it? Number of moles of solute divided by 1 liter of solution by the definition. So what I did for the solute and the solution, I give the denoted signs as W2 and M2 as a given mass and molecular mass respectively. And then I put these values, number of moles, by using moles formula, I put it over here as W2 by M2 and 1 liter of solution as the given volume of solution divided by 1000 to convert it into liter. So we got the formula, molecular mass is equal to W2 by M2 into 1000 divided by given volume of solution. So write it down fast.